Good morning, children. This is 5th standard English class. Yes, we are in block 3, a day in the life of a washerman. A day in the life of a washerman, and today's our topic is compare and contrast. Compare and contrast. Let me explain you what is the meaning of compare and what is the meaning of contrast. Okay. Compare means similarities and contrast means differences. Okay. And today we are going to learn this compare and contrast based on the day of washerman and your day. Okay, that means a day in the life of a washerman and a day in the life of your own self. Okay. We are going to make connections between the story and our lives and compare and contrast our daily routines with the washerman's. Today what we are going to do? We are going to make connections between the story and our lives and compare and contrast our daily routine with the washerman's. Look here, children, I have given two examples. I have compared and contrasted your life with washerman. Okay, first column is of sequence of day events, second column is of washerman, and third column is of you. Okay, what does washerman does first? He cleans his shack. He cleans his shack. But what do you do? Brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. Now after that what happens? Second, feeds his dog. Feeds his dog. And here what do? I have my breakfast. Okay, that means here we are connecting our life with washerman's life. Okay, now open your workbook, children. Yes, open your workbook. Block number 3, S3. Block number 3, S3, compare and contrast. As you open the book, what you are going to do? Write the date 24/8/2020. 24/8/2020. See the first question, children. Fill in the chart by making connections between the washerman's and your own day. Okay. Here he gave you the sequence of daily events. Washerman in the second column and in the third column you gave. Right. Sequence means first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth and last. This you can call it as order words also. Okay. Next, what all happened in the washerman's day? First, what happened? He cleaned the shack and fed the stray dog. Yes, children? Now, what will you do first? First, F-I-R-S-T, first, comma, I wake up, brush my teeth, brush my teeth and have a bath and have a bath. Yes, like this we are going to write. We are going to complete first question. Okay. Yes, children, what did he do second? He prepared a small meal for himself. And here what did I write in the column U? Next, comma, I eat the breakfast prepared by my mother. Full stop. Third sequence. What did washerman do? He got onto his bicycle and rode past the tall buildings. And in the third column, then, comma, I go to school in a bus. Next, fourth sequence in washerman column, he greeted the watchman, comma, who sat on the chair. And what did you do? I greet all my friends at school. Full stop. Next, fifth. He pulled out his notebook and went to collect clothes for washing. I learn new things at school. Sixth. He cycled to Dhobi Ghat and washed and dried his clothes. And here what did you do? Later, comma, I eat my lunch and play during the recess. Here if you observe, I have used the time order words, children, which I have learnt in the previous class. Last, he folded his clothes, went home and smiled on seeing his dog. And what did you do? I go home and watch TV or sleep for an hour and then do my homework. Full stop. Okay, now here you wrote the connections between your day and washerman's day. Okay, this is your first answer. Now coming to your second question. See your second question, children. Write a paragraph to compare and contrast your daily routine with Raghu, the washerman. And you are going to use the words like, both, but, however, and while to show the similarities and differences. Okay, children, now just for this answer you look at the board. Yes, look here, children. I am going to read out the answer for the second question. In the morning, comma, the washerman cleans his shack and feeds his dog, comma, while I brush my teeth and have a bath. Here, if you observe, I have underlined the word while. Yes, Sharon, why? Because he asked you to use these words and then write the differences and similarities. The washerman prepares his meal by himself, comma, but my mother makes my breakfast. Full stop. I go to school in a bus, comma, but the washerman travels on his cycle. Full stop. I go to school to study, comma, however, the washerman goes to collect clothes for washing and ironing. After coming back home, comma, I watch TV and play, but the washerman has to iron all the clothes. Full stop. Like the washerman, comma, I also eat my breakfast before leaving home. Both the washerman and I have pet dogs. Here, if you see the last two sentences, I started with like. Like means similarities. What are the similarities? One, before leaving the home, they both have the breakfast. And the second, when I used both, last line, if you see, both the washerman and I have pet dogs. This is also similar. So to write the similarities, I have used like and both. Okay, and from the first of the answer till the clothes. These all are differences. And from where the word like started, they are similarities. Two similarities and the remaining all differences. Okay, children. I hope this will help you out to complete your workbook. Don't keep anything pending, children. If you feel answer is very big, space is not sufficient, please leave only half finger space and write the words very small. Okay? If you can't see the board properly, listen when I read the answer. Is it clear, children? After completing the second answer, see, yes, for children, it is my daily routine. This is just a checklist, children, and we leave it like that only because we cannot complete this until and unless we won't communicate with each other. Okay, just leave S for checklist, and I want you to write grammar from grammar guide in classwork, children. Open the grammar guide page, last page of the workbook, that is page number 51. If you see, here they have given block 3 sequencing events. You are going to write sequencing with order words. Okay. See here, this order words with example you are going to write, and when you are writing this, you know all the rules and regulations how to write. You are going to leave one line for while writing the examples. First subheading you will be writing as order words and then start the sentence. Okay, children? I will show you the homework, what all homeworks you have of block 3. Yes, this is your homework, children. You are going to complete workbook S3. And in classwork, you are going to write grammar from grammar guide, which I have just shown you. Topic is sequencing with order words. In classwork, you are going to write. And this I have given you the first day when I started block 3. I asked you to complete keywords, meanings and make sentences in classwork. Once again, I am repeating, complete your work day to day. Whenever we ask the books for corrections, send the books with your parents. Okay. Fine, children. By this, I end the session. Meet you in the next class with new block number 4. Okay. Take care.